Are you tired of chasing paper receipts and messy expense records? Learn to log an expense in Gusto in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through Gusto's Expenses tab, from selecting a team member to uploading a receipt. By the end, you'll have a fully logged expense. Open Gusto. Click on Expenses. Click on Add Expense. Click and select a team member. Click and select on Date of Expense. For example, click on 8. Click and select a category. Click and add Merchant. Click on Description and type. Click on Amount. Type the amount. Click on Upload File. Click on Save. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.